Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is cultivation of onion. The scientific name of onion is Allium cepa and it belongs to family Alliaceae. Onion is one of the most important commercial vegetables. It is grown in western, northern, as well in southern India. Maharashtra, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, and Bihar are major onion growing states in India. Climate and soil for onion. Onion is a cool season crop, however, it can be grown under a wide range of climatic conditions. It grows well under mild climate without extreme heat or cold or excessive rainfall. In areas where average annual rainfall exceeds 75 to 100 cm in the monsoon periods, it can be grown only as a summer crop. The ideal temperature requirement of the onion crop is 12.8 degrees centigrade to 21 degrees centigrade before bulbing and 15.5 to 25 degrees centigrade for bulb development. Very low temperatures in the early stages favors bolting. It is very important. So during growth and development, if there is a very low temperatures, then it flowers. Whereas a sudden rise in temperatures favors early maturity in Rabi, resulting in small sized bulbs. Onion can be grown on all types of soils. However, deep, friable, loam and alluvial soils are best for its successful cultivation. Free drainage, freedom from weeds and presence of organic matter favor production of good crop. It cannot be grown in alkaline or low-lying marshy lands. The optimum pH is in the range of 5.8 to 6.5. Varieties of onion. A number of varieties have been developed in India. Onion varieties can be broadly classified into two groups: common onion and multiplier onion. Common onion can be further grouped into three subgroups based on color of skin: red, yellow and white. Salient features of various onion varieties are given in Table 1. Table 1. Salient features of various onion varieties developed in India, and these are: variety Agrifound dark red. The salient features of this variety is bulbs are globular, 4 to 6 cm across, maturity 95 to 100 days after transplanting, average yield 300 quintals per hectare, and it is recommended for Kharif season. And zone area of which it is released, it can be produced successfully in all zones of India. Agrifound light red, bulbs globular, 4 to 6 cm size, maturity 160 to 165 days, average yield 300 to 325 quintals per hectare, and it is recommended for Rabi season. It is also recommended to cultivate in all zones of India. Agrifound red, average size of cluster is 7.15 cm, maturity 65 to 60 days, average yield 180 to 200 quintals per hectare. It is an early variety. All multiplier onion growing areas. Agrifound rose, a pickling type variety, bulbs 2.5 to 3.5 cm, maturity 95 to 100 days, average yield 190 to 200 quintals per hectare. It is recommended to cultivate in Kolar and Bangalore, Karnataka and Kudappa, Andhra Pradesh regions. Arka Bindu. As the name, it is a small size variety. Bulb size 2.5 to 3.5 cm. Maturity 100 days. Average yield 250 quintals per hectare. Recommended for Rabi season. It is recommended in Karnataka zones for its cultivation. Arka Kalyan, bulbs 4 to 6 cm across. Maturity 100 to 120 days after transplanting. Average yield 335 quintals per hectare, recommended for Kharif season. It is recommended to cultivate in zones 6th, 7th and 8th. Arka Niketan, bulbs globular, 4 to 6 cm across, maturity 145 days after transplanting, average yield 340 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi seasons, and it is recommended to cultivate in zones 7th and 8th. Arka Pragati, maturity 140 to 145 days, average yield 200 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi and Kharif seasons. It is recommended to cultivate in whole country. Batch 1 780, maturity 100 to 110 days, average yield 200 to 250 quintals per hectare, recommended for Kharif season. It is recommended to cultivate in Maharashtra region. Brown Spanish, bulb size 2 to 3.5 centimeter, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, maturity 130 to 140 days, and it is a long day type onion. It is recommended to cultivate in upper Himalayan zones. CO1, it is medium tall plants, 7 to 8 bulblets per plant, maturity 90 days, average yield 100 quintals per hectare, and it is recommended to cultivate in Tamil Nadu. CO2, medium tall plants, 7 to 9 bulblets per plant, maturity 65 days, average yield 120 quintals per hectare. It is also recommended to cultivate in Tamil Nadu region. CO3, taller than CO1 and CO2, 8 to 10 bulblets per plant, maturity 65 days, and it produces 160 quintals yield per hectare, and it is also recommended for Tamil Nadu states. CO4, 8 to 10 bulblets per plant, maturity 60 to 65 days, average yield 180 quintals per hectare, mottley resistant to thrips. It is also recommended for Tamil Nadu states. Early grano, bulb 7 to 8 centimeter in size, maturity 95 to 100 days, average yield 500 to 600 quintals per hectare, good for salad, and it is recommended to cultivate in all zones of India. Isar, second maturity 165 days, average yield 200 to 500 quintals per hectare, and it is recommended to cultivate in Rabi seasons, and recommended states Haryana and Punjab. Kalyanpur red round, maturity 140 to 145 days, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi season, and it is recommended to cultivate in Uttar Pradesh state. MDU1, 10 to 10 bulblets per plant, maturity 60 to 75 days, average yield 150 quintals per hectare, and it is tolerant to lodging. And it is recommended to cultivate in northern parts of Tamil Nadu. N241, bulbs diameter 4 to 6 centimeter, maturity 140 to 145 days after transplanting, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi seasons, and it is recommended to cultivate in zones 4th, 5th and 7th. N53, maturity 140 days, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Kharif season, and it is also recommended to cultivate in all zones of India. N25791, maturity 140 days, average yield 300 quintals per hectare, suitable for Rabi cultivation and dehydration, recommended to cultivate in zone 6. Punjab 48, it is also known as S48, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, maturity 140 days, suitable for dehydration. It is good to make a powder. Subhumid plains of Satluj Ganga, Pusha Madhvi, medium to large size bulbs, maturity 130 to 135 days after transplanting, average yield 300 to 350 quintals per hectare, recommended to cultivate in Rabi season, and it is also recommended to cultivate in Indo-Gangetic plains. Punjab red round, it is medium to large size bulbs, it produces medium to large size bulbs, early maturing variety, average yield 300 quintals per hectare, and recommended for Rabi season, recommended to cultivate in Punjab state. Punjab selection, plant height is 55 to 65 centimeter, bulbs 5 to 6 centimeter in diameter, weighing 50 to 70 grams, average yield 200 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi season, zones 4th, 7th and 8th. Pusa Ratnar, plant height 30 cm, maturity 125 days after transplanting, average yield 400 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi seasons. It is recommended to cultivate in zones 4th and 7th. Pusa Red, plant height 30 cm, bulbs medium sized, flat to globular, maturity 140 to 145 days after transplanting, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, and it is recommended to cultivate in Rabi seasons. And it is recommended to cultivate in zones 4th, 7th and 8th. Pusa White Flat, medium to large bulbs, maturity 120 to 130 days, average yield 300 quintals per hectare, and recommended for Rabi season, suitable for dehydration also. It is recommended to cultivate in zones 4th, 6th and 7th. Pusa white round, maturity 125 to 130 days, average yield 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi season, suitable for dehydration, and it is recommended to cultivate in zones 4, 6 and 7. Udaipur 101, maturity 150 to 160 days, average yield through 200 to 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi cultivation. It is recommended to cultivate in Rajasthan and adjoining states. Udaipur 102, bulbs 4.5 to 6.5 cm in size, maturity 120 days after transplanting, average yield 300 to 350 quintals per hectare, suitable for Rabi season and also for dehydration. It is recommended to cultivate in Rajasthan states. Udaipur 103, maturity 150 to 160 days, average yield 250 to 300 quintals per hectare, recommended for Rabi season. It is also recommended for Rajasthan and adjoining states. BL3, plant height 50 to 70 cm, average yield 250 quintals per hectare, maturity 145 days, recommended for Rabi seasons, and it is recommended to cultivate in western Himalayan regions. Now we discuss cultivation of onion. First aspect is planting. Common onion can be grown by raising seedlings in nursery and transplanting them in field. Planting bulbs directly in the field, broadcasting or drilling seeds directly in the field, and planting sets for production of Kharif onions. Now transplanting, it is more commonly practiced for an irrigated crop, resulting in a high yield and with average large size bulbs. Seedlings are first raised in the nursery for an early Kharif crop in South India. March-April is optimum time of sowing. August-September is most suitable time for Kharif crop. For Rabi crop in plains, it is October-November. For high altitude hilly areas, it is March to April is recommended as sowing time. Nursery bed of 3 meter into 0.6 meter size may be raised up to 15 to 25 centimeter with a distance of 70 centimeter between the beds to facilitate intercultural operations. Generally, sandy loam soils are preferred for nursery beds. The edge and top of the bed should be quite firm to avoid pit formation during rains or at the time of irrigation. The top surface up to 2 to 3 centimeters should be enriched with fine sieved and decomposed farmyard manure or compost after sowing. Seeds are sown in lines 4 to 5 centimeter apart in Rabi and 5 to 7 centimeter in Kharif sowing. Should not be done more than 2 to 3 centimeter deep. After sowing, the beds are mulched with dry grass or straw or any other material to maintain and preserve the required soil moisture. As and when there is a lack of moisture in the bed, it should be watered by the sprinkling can. After the germination, dry grass and mulching material should be removed as and when needed. Nursery should be protected from heavy rains in Kharif season. The continuous covering of nursery favors attack of fungal diseases due to risk of high humidity and heat. Therefore, the seedlings should be covered only when there is rise in damage by heavy rains. To protect young seedlings from heat of direct sun rays, partial shade should also be provided. About 10 to 12 kg seed in Rabi season and 12 to 15 kg seed in Kharif season is required to raise seedlings for planting in 1 hectare. The seedlings are ready for transplanting in 6 to 7 weeks and 8 to 9 weeks after sowing during Kharif as well as during Rabi season respectively. Seedlings 20 to 25 cm in height are ready for transplanting. Over aged seedlings result in bolting, taking longer time to start new growth, whereas under-aged seedlings do not establish well after transplanting. The spacing varies from variety to variety on the basis of size and bulbs. Planting by bulbs. This is practiced to meet the demand of green onion for salad in early winter. Bulbs are debulked 15 cm on the side of 45 cm wide ridges or in beds. Another practice is to debull bulbs in furrows made with country plough. The field is irrigated after forming beds to channels. For planting 1 hectare, 750 kg of medium sized bulbs are required. Larger sized bulbs tend to flower early, resulting in low yield in northern India. Bulbs from the previous harvest are planted in August or September. The secondary bulbs developing from the mother bulbs find the ready market as green onions early in the season, October to December. Direct sowing. Onions can also be grown by direct seedlings. Soil is thoroughly pulverized and made free of clods. The varieties with bigger size bulbs are grown in rows 30 cm apart. Seedlings 6 to 8 weeks old may be thinned. For smaller size bulbs, sowing can be done by broadcasting and later thin 5 cm each way. A light irrigation is given immediately after sowing. Interculture and irrigation may be repeated after every 10 days. Planting by sets. Sets are small sized onions produced by the seedlings to mature in the nursery beds as such instead of transplanting them. These are used to get an early crop of onion in some parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Rajasthan. Mashera and Talja in Gujarat are the areas where sets are raised for local use as well as for supply to other states. For planting 1 hectare, 5 to 8 kg seed is sufficient to raise enough number of sets in 200 square meter area. Nursery is prepared as usual. Mid-January, February is the ideal time of sowing. Let the plants remain in the nursery till their leaves fall. Till April. By this time, plants form small sets due to lesser spacing. Later on, dig out the sets about 1.5 to 2 cm size. Disease-free sets are selected. Very small sets results in more splits, doubles and boltals. A larger size sets increase cost of production. The graded sets are stored in Hessian cloth bags or in shallow baskets or in racks under properly ventilated conditions. Generally, 10 quintals of sets of 1.5 to 2 centimeters diameter are required for planting 1 hectare crop. The sets are planted 10 cm apart in rows on both sides of ridges, spaced at 35 to 45 cm spacing. Sets are normally planted by mid-August to get an early crop by mid-November. The planting, however, can be continued up to mid-September so as to stagger the availability of produce up to mid-December. A light irrigation is given immediately after planting the sets. In multiplier onion, bulbs are first separated and then bigger size bulbs are used for planting. Manuring and fertilization of onion. Onion needs a heavy dose of fertilizers for a good yield. However, fertilizer requirement depend upon soil type and type of crop. Farmyard manure at the rate of 20 to 25 tons per hectare may be incorporated into the soil 1 month before transplanting. Full amount of P and K and half of N is to be added just before transplanting. The recommended doses of NPK for different agroclimatic conditions are given in table 2. Rest of the nitrogen is to be given as a single dose 20 to 25 days after transplanting in case of sowing by sets and multiplier onions, whereas it is given into 2 doses in seedlings transplanted onion, first 30 and second 45 to 60 days after transplanting. Recommended fertilizer dose kg per hectare for different regions and varieties are given in table. In addition to the chemical fertilizers, some other nutrients are also useful for improving onion quality. Zinc application 1 to 3 ppm increases yield as well as improves quality. Cultural operation, as plants are less spaced and roots are less penetrating, it is essential to keep the crop beet free, especially at the initial stage of plant growth. In onion, hand beating is generally practiced, but once the vegetative growth of the plants is complete, hand beating becomes very difficult and expensive also. Therefore, chemical beat control along with hand beating after 45 days is recommended. Vaseline at the rate of 1 liter per hectare or stamp at the rate of 3.5 liters per hectare immediately after transplanting are quite effective to control beets. Irrigation. Water requirement is in general depends upon plant, its growth stage, soil type and climatic conditions. Onion is shallow rooted crop with roots generally confined within 8 cm of the soil surface. It is very rare that they go up to 15 cm. Water requirement of onion is therefore less in the beginning. During rainy or kharif season, one irrigation is given immediately after the transplant, especially in North India. Delay in irrigation may result in seedling mortality up to 80 to 90%. In kharif crop, 8 to 10 irrigations are sufficient. Late kharif crop requires 12 to 15 irrigations, whereas rabi crops 15 to 20. So irrigation should be supplied as and when it is required. Harvesting and post-harvest management. Onion is ready for harvesting in 3 to 5 months and 2 to 3 months after transplanting for dry and green onions respectively. Green onions are harvested when they are just ready for earthing. Plants are uprooted by hand and their roots are cut. They are washed and bundled as per market requirement. The optimum time for harvesting bulbs for sale or for storage from a rabi crop is when leaves start falling. The exact time is 1 week after 50% leaves have fallen. So optimum harvesting time is when leaves start turning yellow and become dry at the top. Bulbs turn red and attain their optimum varietal size. Multiplier onions are harvested when 50 to 70% leaves have fallen before they dry fully. Leaves are cut to 2.5 cm above the bulb. After harvesting, a kharif crop should be left in the field for a few days for drying of leaves. Common onion varieties yield up to 250 to 300 quintals per hectare. Small size pickling type varieties 160 to 200 quintals per hectare, and multiplier onion 150 to 100 quintals per hectare. So this is all about harvesting and then grading and packing and finally sent to the market. Thank you for patience hearing.